Hello, I'm Subhashni, a data scientist, educator, and author with 20 years of experience in AI, analytics, and consulting. Today, I'm here to talk to you about this course, which is an introduction to data science and automation using MS Office and specifically Excel as a tool. Why does this course matter, you may ask? Well, as the title itself says, data science and especially with MS Office and Excel as a tool is extremely useful today because data is at the heart of every decision, whether in banking, manufacturing, marketing, or HR. For professionals, this course helps you make data-driven decisions, automate repetitive work, and increase productivity and visibility in your role. For students, it builds early exposure to real world skills and employers' demands. This is not theoretical learning. This is what you will actually use at work from day one. I would like it if you could go to the comments and write down about your expectations from this course. When we look at the latest trends and why we must upskill now, one of the most important things to understand is the shift to AI and data driven work. We are in the middle of a major shift because AI and generative AI have become our co-workers, not tools. Roles are evolving towards analytics and automation. Even non-technical roles now require data literacy. Professionals who upskill today will stay relevant, move faster in their careers, transition to high growth roles. Hence, this course helps you bridge the gap between your current role and the future of work. If you are wondering what you will learn on this course, the thing to understand is that we will be covering multiple things. It is a course which is designed as a hands-on practical journey. There is an understanding of business problems using data, Excel for data analysis, formulas, pivots, and dashboards, using AI to generate insights and automate tasks, data visualization and storytelling, introduction to forecasting and predictive thinking, automation using Excel and AI tools, and real-world business case simulations. Every module focuses on learning by doing, not just watching. Do you like the sound of it? As mentioned earlier, please do go to the comment section and write in what you would like. What you will learn, if I was to summarize it, would be four important things. First is how to build interactive dashboards. So you have a lot of data in your system. You may be using interactive dashboards in Power BI or in Tableau, but here I'm telling you, you can build those interactive dashboards with slicers and the like just in Excel using pivots and slicers and some other small tools. Then, of course, we will look at the analysis tool pack, which will help us do analytics on data and come to some conclusions like forecasting, making a linear regression equation, understanding that what is a time series, what is the right forecasting methodology, time series methodology that we can use. We can also understand things like what are the drivers of business. This will be augmented with the use of Microsoft Copilot, which we will use to figure out the best possible insights. Yes, not only in uh, the value of insights, getting a really good understanding, but also in the way to frame the insight so that it brings best value to our customers, the business guys. We will end it up with Excel VBA automation because VBA is the best way to create macros. And I know that you would all know about macros, even if you have not been using it. So, if we were to look at it, this course has international relevance. The course is built with a global mindset, and the concepts are applicable across industries and countries. Use cases from banking, operations, and global enterprises will be shared with you. The skills align with international and workplace expectations, and whether you work in India, plan to go abroad, or work with global teams, these skills are universally relevant. So I hope you're feeling enthusiastic about it. As I mentioned to you, I am Subhashni Sharma Tripathi. I'm a data scientist, educator, and author with 20 plus years of experience in AI, analytics, and consulting. I have worked with organizations like GE, Standard Chartered, Citi, and Tata Motor Finance, and now I focus on bringing real world analytics and career guidance to learners globally. Through my platforms and training programs, I aim to make data science and career clarity accessible, practical, and impactful. I hope you will follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Subhashini Data Science, and reach out for queries, trainings, or consulting projects. Let's build your future ready career together.